day-to-day awareness practice on softening and sitting back. Reminders. Sit back, soften, breathe out. Pause every now and then during your day and notice how you are engaging with what you are doing. If it feels more important than it needs to, sit back. Let the importance soften and breathe it out. If there's a level of intensity there, sit back, let the intensity soften and breathe it out. If things feel a bit too close up, sit back from everything. Let it all soften and breathe it out. If it feels like you are waiting and watching for something to happen, sit back. Let the waiting and watching soften and breathe it out. Notice how much energy you are putting into what you are thinking. Sit back and put in less. Let it all soften and breathe it out. Notice how much energy you are putting into what you are doing. For instance, talking to a friend on the phone or doing the washing up. Sit back and put in less energy. Let it all soften and breathe it out.